The National Youth Task Force, which is a group of youth who are loyal to Advocacy Chamisa, has issued a press statement castigating any attempt to amend the constitution with intention to extend both the presidential and parliamentary term limit. Sanabina mashoko atinoti aiwa vakomana vanotumembera vanhu ari Nelson Chamisa vaya vachimira aiwa zvine umhare vachimisa aiwa this term extension. Sanabina mashoko amudanyikwa panapa kuti subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina panapa pane this statement okudanyikwa chinzi rejection of 2030 agenda. We as the youth, people of Zimbabwe, united in our diversity, strongly condemn the attempts by the corrupt regime of Mr. Mnangagwa and its allies to extend the illegitimate presidential term of office. We want to categorically state that there will be no term extension for the president in Zimbabwe. The current conversation that we must have as a nation is how do we avoid disputed electoral outcomes which lead to a legitimate crisis as we have now that is finding expression in the failure by the government to deliver basic services. Mnangagwa's government has been characterized by rampant corruption, violation of human rights, unemployment, and a broken educational system in Zimbabwe. Nothing is working. This is why people of Zimbabwe wholesomely rejected Mnangagwa and his outfit in August 2023 and confidently voted for President Chamisa with an intention to form a people's government, a desired government by all. We will not stand idly by while an illegitimate president who does not have a social contract with the people attempts to extend the suffering of our nation. We will not watch as he seeks to prolong the looting of public resources, the poor youth system, culture of state institutions, and a dead economic system that have plagued our country. We will not fold our hands when our future is at stake. Tomashuka tonokuti aiwa vouya vachiti vakomana ngavamire zvauri kuda kuita izvi. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi zvauri vachifumura sezviri kuitika aiwa netheya desire kuti nyika yeZimbabwe ibudirire. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Muna comment section medu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.